and I'm from Denmark. I'm a yoga teacher, and I'm also a voice coach, singer, musician, and I've been traveling here in India with my family over Christmas and New Year. And now I'm here at Nirama, Kovalam, very beautiful place. I can highly recommend. It has been such a blast to be here. Everybody has been so welcoming, and I've been at the yoga class with Uni every morning. It's been so invigorating and very nice. And also I had this chakra consultation with him yesterday, and it was very nice, and he told me some very good things that I can cherish and bring back to Denmark with me, and I will try to follow his advice.